Hey guys, today I made some chicken fry. I took some chicken thigh boneless, added one Maggi cube for taste, and then added 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And next I added 1 sachet of ginger garlic paste, followed by 1 tablespoon of corn flour to make it nice and crispy. Then I added a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 ande ka fanda, and then some chaat masala, and then some Konkan masala, chicken fry masala, and then mixed them all together and kept it for 30 minutes. And later took a pan, put some oil, heated, and put the chicken fry. Look at the sizzle. And there it is, golden fried chicken fry, yummy yummy.